Nestled in a breathtaking valley between the majestic Andes Mountains and the rolling hills of the Chilean coastal range, Santiago is the vibrant heart and capital of Chile. Santiago, a sprawling metropolis covered in the soft glow of the morning sun. This metropolis is watched over by the silent, magnificent Andes. The Andes provide a breathtaking backdrop, a majestic panorama that defines Santiago's unique character. As the country's largest city and economic, political and cultural center, Santiago seamlessly blends rich colonial heritage with cutting-edge modernity. Founded in 1541, Santiago boasts centuries of history that come alive in its colonial architecture, world-class museums, and historic neighborhoods like La Asteria and Bella Vista. Santiago is a city looking firmly toward the future, with gleaming skyscrapers, a dynamic art scene, and a booming culinary landscape that's earning international acclaim. The Andes Mountains, Santiago's majestic natural guardian. Towering over the eastern skyline of Santiago, the Andes Mountains stand as one of the most breathtaking natural features of South America. Stretching over 7,000 kilometers from Venezuela to the southern tip of Chile and Argentina, the Andes are the longest continental mountain range in the world. From the heart of the city, the snow-capped peaks of the Andes are a constant reminder of nature's grandeur. In winter, the mountains transform into a haven for skiing and snowboarding, with world-renowned resorts like Valle Nevado just a short drive away. Let's open our eyes to the spectacle that is Santiago and allow ourselves to be captivated by its beauty and charm. Our journey begins from the sky, soaring gracefully above the city's urban bustle and nestled within the lush expanse of Cerro San Cristóbal. The Teleférico de Santiago offers one of the most scenic and unforgettable experiences in Chile's capital. This modern cable car system provides a breathtaking panoramic journey through the heart of Parque Metropolitan de Santiago, the largest urban park in Latin America. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a lifelong resident, the Teleférico invites you to witness Santiago's stunning skyline, the majestic Andes Mountains, and the vibrant greenery below from a unique aerial perspective. Lending comfort, accessibility, and natural beauty, it's not just transportation, it's a must-see destination in itself. Now, let's descend from the heights and take a closer look, admiring Santiago's captivating skyline. Gran Torre Santiago, the tallest skyscraper in Latin America. From above, the city unfolds like a tapestry, revealing its intricate urban design and the majestic Andes Mountains in the backdrop. Soaring majestically into the skyline, Gran Torre Santiago stands as a symbol of modern Chilean ambition and architectural excellence. Towering at 300 meters with 64 stories, it is not only the tallest building in Chile but also the highest skyscraper in Latin America. The Gran Torre Santiago dominates the cityscape, a testament to Chile's ambition and progress. This sleek tower of blue glass pierces the sky, standing as the tallest structure in all of South America, a beacon of innovation and architectural prowess. Touch the sky at Sky Costanera, Santiago, from a new perspective rising high above the Chilean capital. Sky Costanera is the tallest observation deck in Latin America and one of Santiago's most iconic attractions. Located atop the impressive Gran Torre Santiago in the heart of the city's modern financial district, this glass-walled observatory offers a breathtaking 360-degree view. Nestled in the leafy heart of Quinta Normal in Santiago, the Casona Dubois is a splendid example of early 20th century French eclectic architecture. The Casona Dubois, a French-style palace, stands as a charming relic of a bygone era, a reminder of Santiago's rich cultural heritage and European influences. Let's walk the streets and admire Santiago's architecture up close. Plaza de Armas de Santiago is the historic heart of Chile's capital, a vibrant square where the city was founded in 1541. Surrounded by stunning colonial architecture, including the majestic Metropolitan Cathedral, it blends rich history with lively street life. Palm trees sway over artists, performers, and locals, making it a captivating hub of culture, tradition, and urban energy in the very soul of Santiago. Nearby, the Palacio de La Moneda is a magnificent symbol of Chilean history and government, located in the heart of Santiago. With its neoclassical elegance and stately white facade, This presidential palace stands as a powerful emblem of Chile's resilience and democracy. Beyond its beauty, it holds deep historical significance, blending past and present in one of the nation's most iconic landmarks. Now, we seek Santiago's breathtaking panoramas, those sweeping vistas that capture the essence of this vibrant metropolis. We're about to embark on a visual journey, exploring the city from its most stunning vantage points. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty that unfolds before your eyes. From San Cristóbal Hill, a beloved landmark rising above the urban landscape, the city stretches out, an intricate tapestry of buildings and streets, revealing the vastness of Santiago's urban sprawl. It's a captivating sight that truly puts the city's size into perspective, encircled by the majestic, snow-capped Andes, a constant reminder of nature's grandeur. These towering peaks provide a stunning backdrop, adding to the city's unique charm. Let's now visit Santa Lucía Hill, a breathtaking urban oasis in the center of Santiago, where lush gardens, ornate fountains, and historic terraces rise above the city. Once a strategic lookout, it now offers panoramic views and romantic pathways that invite exploration. Rich in charm and history, it's a magical blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage, a true gem in the heart of the capital. Beyond the landmarks, Santiago's hidden corners reveal its amazing side. Barrio Concha y Toro is a hidden gem in the heart of Santiago, where time seems to stand still. With its charming cobblestone streets, winding alleys, and elegant European-style mansions, the neighborhood exudes old-world charm and artistic flair. The Metropolitan Cathedral of Santiago is a breathtaking masterpiece of colonial architecture and spiritual grandeur, standing proudly in the city's historic Plaza de Armas. With its stunning Baroque facade and richly adorned interior, it reflects centuries of Chilean faith, art, and resilience. As the heart of Catholic life in Santiago, the cathedral is both a sacred sanctuary and a symbol of the nation's enduring heritage. Let's now have a look at Cajón del Maipo, also called as El Yeso Dam. El Yeso Dam, Embalse El Yeso, is a magnificent turquoise reservoir nestled high in the Andes, just over 2,500 meters above sea level near Santiago. The Embalse El Yeso reservoir dazzles with turquoise waters against stark mountains. El Yeso Dam is not just an engineering marvel, it's a breathtaking sight where nature's beauty and utility converge in perfect harmony. Chile is famous for its wines. Viña Cousiño Macul is one of Chile's oldest and most prestigious vineyards, founded in 1856 and still family-owned. Viña Cousiño Macul is not just a winery, it's a living legacy where tradition, elegance, and the spirit of Chilean winemaking converge. Parque Bicentenario is a stunning 30-hectare urban oasis nestled along the Mapocho River in Vitacura, Santiago. Perfect for picnics, yoga, family outings, or a moment's pause amid nature, the park also offers gorgeous views of Santiago's skyline and the nearby Andes, making Parque Bicentenario a beloved escape of tranquility and beauty in the heart of the city. As our tour ends, we are left with a collage of Santiago's unforgettable images. Santiago, a city where progress and heritage coexist in every view. Santiago's ability to embrace the future while honoring its past. It's a city that constantly reinvents itself, yet remains deeply rooted in its traditions.